Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Parkside 20V Cordless Drywall Sander, the model PWDSA 20LIA1. One battery series, over 100 devices. Bare unit, battery and charger not included. With no load rotation speed from 600 to 1200 RPM. Sanding plate 225mm diameter. Total length adjustment range 110 to 150 cm, with sanding head angle adjustment 150 degrees front back and 60 degrees left right. Accessories included with a 3 years warranty, and it is compatible with all X20V Team Series rechargeable batteries from Parkside. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. And of course we have in the manual. If you want to read this, your choice, but stay with me, you're gonna find out all about this product. Sanding paper, 225mm the diameter, and we have P180, 2, P400 another 2, P240 another 2, and P150 another 2. Total 8 sanding discs. Hex key with a length 153mm. Carrying bag. You can have everything inside here. That is large. I just love it. With a storage here. Nice. Everything can fit inside. Dust bag. If you want to use this dust bag, adjustable. The strap. To remove the dust, just remove this plastic and remove all the dust. And again, install that and seal it. And of course, if you want, you can remove the spiral hose from the dust bag. Press these two buttons here. It is a little bit hard to remove. And then use this adapter and connect your vacuum. Later I will do that. And of course, we have the telescopic extension shaft, and here you can connect the spiral hose. There it is. Press, rotate, and it locks. So easy. And use with the adapter your vacuum or the dust bag. Rotate, and you can pull to remove. Now we have in the main unit with a folding hinge lock. Press and it locks. And of course here at the front it is in the LED working light. The handle with the on-off switch. Another lock here, and you can install the extension. Total length adjustment range 110 to 150 cm. It says maximum here. And lock it. Now if you don't want to use the extension, just pull and install directly the spiral hose with a dust bag or your vacuum. And of course here you can connect the battery. I will use the new Parkside battery, new design, new model. Everything you need to know about this battery after the end of this video. I have made another video, check right in the corner or down below at the description. The cables here, it takes the power from the battery at the motor and for the light. Here we have in this spiral hose, it is for the dust collection, the cable, obviously the motor, adjustable, up and down, with sanding head angle adjustment 150 degrees front back and 60 degrees left right. Nice. Here we have the two wheels. It will help you when you are sanding at the corners. And of course, you can install one of these sanding discs. Alignment with these holes. That was all. Around we have these brushes. It helps for the dust collection. And it is very easy to remove. You can use the Allen key and unscrew to remove the sanding pad. It is very soft. And if you want, you can remove this guard with a brush. For cleaning, whatever you want, just slide inside. One here, another one here, and it locks. Now let's install one of these sanding sheets. Plug in the battery. We can see in the LED light here. And of course, we have the speed control. I can switch off the light or on with this button here. We have 3 buttons here. And the lock, so it can work continuously. And of course I can adjust the speed. Total, we have 6 speeds. No need a light, switch it off. You need a light, switch it on. Nice. It feels very robust unit. Yeah, definitely, just love it. How it looks. And when you don't need, just unfold. Use the bag for storage with all the accessories. Now let's move on for testing. I really like the adjustable speed, the extendable design and how well it works with dust extraction. It makes sanding a lot cleaner and less tiring, especially on larger jobs. If you are tackling a big renovation, this tool is a total shoulder saver. The biggest win here is the cordless freedom, not having a power cable tagging around your feet while you are up on a ladder or moving between rooms is a huge safety and productivity boost. It's powerful enough to flatten seams quickly, yet light enough that you won't be exhausted by lunchtime. For the price €90, it's an absolute must-have for the serious DIYer. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next Parkside tool review or DIY project. Thanks for watching, work safe and I'll see you in the next one.